Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared plus 3. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about 2s ds. This one we change by u. 2s ds we change by du. And now we have the formula. The integration of u to the power of n du, you got about u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. So for this one, you got about u to the power of 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1, and we put about c. So this one you got about number 6. This one you got about number 6. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.